I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Your girl Chelle absolutely loves her kitchen, but the truth is guys, I'm so unorganised when it comes to this room. So today I'm going to show you some inexpensive ways where you can organise your kitchen too. I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to start in my kitchen drawers, and you can see exactly what I'm working with here guys. I was so embarrassed to show you this. This is really how my drawers have been looking really for the last couple of years. There was no organisation and there certainly wasn't anything functional in here. But what I did first of all is I took everything out of the drawers. Easiest way to start a clean slate, guys. And then I picked up this amazing polka dot contact paper, which is from Kmart. Now this contact paper was just $3 a roll, and I went in and I covered the entire drawers in my kitchen. I then went in and placed 2 of these clear containers that I picked up from Big W. Again, really inexpensive, and I love that they are clear, where you can actually see what you're looking for. I then got all my dish towels, guys, and I folded them neatly and then filed them into each container. Now this was quite a big job. I went from drawer to drawer, organising and using these plastic clear drawer organisers. I can't recommend these enough, guys, especially for the fact that they are clear and you'll be able to find everything so much easier.
You as you dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
Now guys, I definitely recommend you check out your local dollar stores, either Kmart, Big W, those types of variety stores that sell really inexpensive drawer organisers. I can't get over that a few dollars organised my life. I can actually see what I'm looking for now.
Forever. watch you as you sleep. You don't know
I then moved on to my pantry, and I wanted to add this beautiful contact paper in the pantry as well.
how much I love you. I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
This was such a fun project to do. I loved transforming this because it was so inexpensive, guys. I have a corner pantry and I thought about repainting it, but then I thought, you know what, I want something that really is inexpensive to do, is an easy DIY, but will give it that little glam factor as well. And I thought this contact paper was perfect for that. I then started to reorganize my pantry. Now, you may remember that I did a DIY pantry makeover last year on my channel, and I'll leave that linked for you down below. But I decided to revamp the pantry this time because my husband is the main cook in the house, and he found that when I used the square boxes to place everything in, he could never find anything. So I went in again with some more clear containers. I cannot stress to you enough how good these are, guys, and by doing so we were able to see everything as well as be organized.
Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Now, I still used what I already had, guys. The only thing I got rid of was the square boxes that we stored stuff in. Here I have my flour jar. Now, these jars are just inexpensive from local dollar stores or from Kmart, and I got the labels in a little booklet from the reject shop for just $2.
You're like a ghost in my mind. I can't escape you. I need to believe it was right letting you go. 'Cause you are like a ghost in my mind.
I then started adding some of my kitchen decor back in, and I absolutely love this mini tin fridge, guys, that I recently picked up from TK Maxx. Now, it originally had skincare type products inside it, but I took them out and I just store my chocolate stash in here.
'Cause every song just reminds me of you.
I also picked up these cereal and pasta storage containers, guys. Now, I cannot tell you, it took me 49 years to realise that I should be putting my cereal in a container. I can't believe it, guys, how long this took me, but how functional and much more practical this actually is.
Can't escape you. Like a movie on repeat. The scenes just go on. I'm hearing your voice in my dreams. I wanna escape.
I also picked up these beautiful plastic containers, which were in a pack of 3 from Kmart. Now, my goal here, guys, was not to put a box back in my pantry. So what I did is I have porridge every morning for breakfast, guys, and I love these little sachets, and I took them out of the box and placed them here in the container.
When it kills me, no, it was a mistake.
Now, I recently picked up this pretty blush pink jar, also from Kmart and on clearance for just $3. And this is where I store my green tea bags.
Don't tell me it's over now.
I then placed some more clear containers inside the pantry and then organised my cans.
It's over now. Don't tell me it's over.
I also had a deeper glass container that is also from Big W, and I used this for things like sauces.
No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song
Now again, guys, I can't recommend enough a beautiful clear glass jar. They come in so handy for storing so many things.
Say you think about me because I'm starting to doubt we will find a way back to each other.
I also picked up this adorable mini bin, and guys, I love that it is blush pink. I am so loving blush pink decor at the moment, and what I'm using this for is actually for my onions and potatoes. Rather than putting a plastic bag in here, I'm just going to take some paper towel and place it on the bottom.
Themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out. Forget about the past. Now time moves slow. I'm not high or low.
I also used another one of those clear deeper containers. Now these are actually for your fridge, but I'm using them in the pantry for anything that was left over that I couldn't store anywhere else. So I'm just organising it in this one bin.
I'm feeling so lonely when you never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright. But I knew it would.
Now, who remembers this adorable blush pink medicine cabinet that I recently picked up from TK Maxx? Now, I filled it with my first aid bag, and I love that it is in the pantry and is definitely there if I need it.
Figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still.
I also added this adorable gold glitter timer, and I thought it was so adorable with gold sparkly glitter and perfect for my glam kitchen.
I'm not high or low, no, somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up. 'Cause without you, everything stops.
Now inside my pantry door I have a hanging rack, and I recently picked up this blush pink dustpan and broom, and I'm going to hang that off the hooks from the door. I'm also going to add my blush pink dustpan as well as this buffalo check apron. Now this was a gift set, guys, that come from Amazon, and I'll leave it linked for you down below.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights.
And now this wouldn't be Chelle's Glam Pantry without a touch of sparkle. So I added this beautiful chandelier that I picked up from Bunnings. This was really inexpensive, guys. I think it was about $29, and I think it adds the perfect touch to my pantry makeover.
I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Guys, I'm so happy with my pantry makeover. I love the fact that I can now visualize. I can see everything in place. I wanted to do a few more things to this, but I wanted to also bring this video to you. So I will be tweaking it a little bit, but I'm so happy with it so far.
Not even if I try, 'cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds.
There is no greater feeling, guys, than finding things in your home. There's nothing more frustrating than when you open a drawer and it is a disaster. And in the last couple of months, I have been going from room to room, organising areas of my home that really needed my attention. I really enjoy cleaning my home, guys. I really get a fulfillment out of it, that when it is sparkly and clean and smelling amazing, it's a really great accomplishment. But I really felt very, very anxious about the way things were organised in my drawers, pantry, throughout my bathroom. I've gone from room to really try and get on top of that. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to organising and redecorating your kitchen and pantry. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, as it really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.